Could you help me find a hiding place? Stay away from the coolers with glass doors. It might break and cut you. Anywhere else? Hiding by the cash register is also safe. Anywhere else? Staying by the column is a relatively safe choice in a supermarket. You are correct. During an earthquake, we can hide by the post and the cash register. Let's go hide. Oh no, the power is out. Here is a flashlight. What? Red. Towel. Pillow. Horn. Water. A flashlight can help me see my surroundings. While I'm waiting for the rescue crew, what can I use to protect my head? A pillow can protect my head. Next, I need something to cover my nose. A towel can prevent dust from entering the lungs. I'm thirsty. Water can keep me hydrated. I'm hungry. Good. I'm better now.
Anyone in here?
Do I hear people coming? I will use the horn to let them know I'm here.